how to check ticket number on Xiamen Airlines. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can check ticket number on Xiamen Airlines. So how do you check your ticket number? The first step is to visit the Xiamen Airline website. Ensure you go to the official Xiamen Airlines website. And then once you have done that, the next step is for you to move to the section where you can see book flights, flight status, my trip, optional services, and just click on my trip. So by clicking on my trip, you'll be asked to enter in your details in here, which includes ticket number, last name, first name, verification code. Now, I'm sure you are wondering that you've not seen your ticket number, so you cannot fill this. This is because currently I am here as a guest. So as a guest, you have to fill in all of these details. But in order for you to see your ticket number easily, you have to create an account on Xiamen Airlines. So the next step will be for you to move to the top right corner, click on sign up, create an account if you've not already. All right. But if you had, log in into your account, and then once you're logged in, automatically under this session, you will see my trip. Once you click on my trip, you'll see the option for you to you'll see all of the trips and all of the trips that you've paid for, the ones that you went on, and you'll see them displayed. So just click on the trip, and by clicking on the trip, you will be taken to the page where you'll see details about the flight, and amongst these details, the ticket number would be there. Okay, and then if you still cannot find your ticket number through that method, check the email that was sent to you after making payment for the trip that you booked. All right, and a confirmation email will be sent to you, and this email will contain your e-ticket as well as your ticket number, so you can just check it in order to find it. And another method is by contacting the customer support. So you can just go to the contact us tab and then reach out to them based on your questions that you have trying to find your ticket number. You've tried all you can, but you still cannot find it, and then you'll be further directed on what to do. So this is how to find your ticket number on Xiamen Airlines. Thank you for watching and have a good day.